€8.
Oh my god.
What? Have a good day.
Guys, welcome to my another vlog, and again Bruno is here. I'm so glad that I'm with him again right now. And guys, as you can see on my bag is Costa Toscana. This is the newest ship of Costa right now. It is a twin sister of Costa Esmeralda, where I embarked in the past. Plan today is to eat something outside and then take some pictures from the city. Okay, and hello, Costa Fascinosa on my back. So Fascinosa is here, and then Toscana is on that side, is here. So yes. Bruno, what can you say with Savona, with the view of Savona? You know, see, like,
yeah, this is giving me Italy vibes.
Yeah.
I think this is really great, you know. And you know what? Everything here for me so far is okay. Like the weather is hot, but it's not too much. The air, we can get fresh air, we can walk, and you can see too many things near from the port. So everything's good. So far.
That is so true. This is one of your favorite port now?
One of them.
Yeah, same here.
Besides Marcel.
Marcel really holds a special place in your heart. Okay. So guys, see, look at the port. I mean, it's so beautiful. Like the what is it? The color, you know, the background color is really like giving the vibe of Italy. So hello again, Costa Toscana. Oh my god, look at this.
And the dogs is really big.
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, the dogs are really big.
Every time when I see some dog, I wanna play with them.
Yeah, me too. Ah, this is very capture this. Ah, let's have this.
Let's have some ice cream later.
See, we saw a gelato stand over here, and we want to have something after we take the picture.
Sure.
This is something new. The bridge is moving. Guys, this is something new that I ever see. Look, the bridge is moving. I mean, it was positioned over there. It moved until here, and now we're gonna cross going there. So it's very, very unique. Guys, we are going inside this fortress. Let's see. I think inside is like good for photos, right? So it's important for our Instagram feed. So let's see and explore this fortress. I don't know, but things here are a little bit creepy. I mean, there are like scarecrows on that bottom part, so better we stay out of here now. Guys, the vibe in here, it's like Game of Thrones. Do you watch Game of Thrones?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. So Game of Thrones, like, you know, this kind of like vibe. Anytime Daenerys will come, and then the dragons will fly on above, and then Cersei is here sipping her wine.
The Brazilian food.
Okay.
We can get some Brazilian food, some Brazilian drinks.
You miss Brazil so much now.
Of course, no. But I'm enjoying here. I miss my home.
Okay.
Oh, Brazilian music is Zona abrir. Let's go there.
Like $8, aren't they? I only have this, but I think they are €8.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you. What? Have a good day.
Thank you so. You're such a blessing in disguise.
Yeah. In Albania, we used to do this. So
oh.
No, I cannot express.
What? Something miracle just happened. Like
the guy gave me €8, like for no reason. He gave me €8.
Guys, if you saw that moment, okay, Bruno just because we are finding because the place where he is buying Brazilian food is not accepting card, so we are in need of cash. So we are finding where is the nearest ATM here, and then Bruno suddenly. Where is our star? Bruno suddenly found a very nice gentleman who just said, no, I will just give you $8 or €8. We're like, what? Okay, we can transfer. You know, we're like saying we can transfer.
Yes, I will transfer.
And then
said, no, don't worry.
he was like, no, don't worry, I will give you, because he is from Albania and people in Albania are just doing this kind of things. I mean, wow. This is a very nice moment. Like, you know, humanity is still here, and there's still hope for everyone. I don't know if I vlog it very nicely, but yeah, that guy is very kind, like generous indeed. I mean, we are just like strangers, you know, and we just like all of a sudden.
Cute from him, no?
Yeah. So,
sir, if you are watching this, thank you so much. You saved our life.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Because I was needing, but. Oh my god, why do you think like that?
Sir, thank you so much. That guy from Albania, hands down.
Really nice.
Really hands down. Like
I wanna be your friend. Please
yeah, me too.
Here.
Please, if you find us, if you find this channel, don't hesitate to just click. No. Don't hesitate to comment, and then we will find you.
Yes.
Up until now, we still can't believe that thing just happened, because in my whole life, I will never have this kind of moment, you know?
Neither in Brazil.
Yeah.
You cannot find this kind of attitude from people.
I mean, I'm not saying that Filipinos are not generous, but they don't
need money. That's
yeah,
Brazilians.
This guy is like one of a kind. Like, he's an angel, you know, just fall down from the place, and then, oh my god. Sir, thank you so much again.
You really.
This is like one thing you will remember here in Savona.
Of course! I will not forget this moment, like, no way.
That is so true. Guys, so me and Bruno is now having, we'll have the Brazilian food that he had for takeout. And also, I will have a pizza. It's tuna and onion, the way we had also in the ship. But maybe here, the taste will be different.
And natural juice. This is
orange.
Will be my first time after 5 months drinking like natural juice, because in the ship we don't have.
Yeah, we don't have. Actually, we have, but only for passengers.
Ah,
yeah, we have,
okay,
but
that's
only for
fine.
passengers.
I'm not yet.
So now we will have a natural orange juice.
Açaí, brigadeiro, coxinha, pizza.
Happy tummy, happy day. It's such a good day today.
Was really.
What do you call this one?
Açaí.
Açaí.
Actually, açaí is like it's really difficult to.
Is it a fruit?
It's a fruit. That is the way that you eat, like salty and also sweet.
Okay.
But this one is like juice from açaí.
I see.
Because it's a fruit. Açaí is a fruit from Brazil.
Tá bom. Good?
I'm gonna cry. I miss this so much because in my country we are used to have this one. It's really popular there. Okay, Rhea, you are about to.
I'm about to try this Brazilian drink. Okay, as he is a fruit from Brazil, but they made it as a juice. So let me try for the first time. It tastes good.
It's sweet, no?
It's sweet, guys, and also it's like refreshing. I really like it. Recommendable. Bruno, what are you having right now? Coxinha.
Brazilian food.
What is inside?
It's like a snack. Inside, usually we use chicken. But we can put also meat, sausage, everything. It's up to you. But this one is more popular.
What is inside in that one?
Chicken.
Chicken. Nice. Guys, I will try this one now. Thank you so much, Bruno. Let me try this. Okay, let me see. Is that potato with chicken? Is that good?
Yes, like outside is like potato, but it's not only.
It
like
tastes so good. Guys, how awesome is this pizza? Having pizza. Cheers. It tastes good, guys. It has a different flavor. Like no, it has a different approach of taste compared to in the shape, right? This tastes good, so good. So guys, we are so full right now. How is the pizza?
Masarap. I love this.
I did not expect that one.
Delicious.
Yes,
yummy, really good.
It's delicious so much. I mean, because we have also on board the same flavor, but I felt that this one from the outside is much more flavorful, right?
Yes,
yeah, it's much more flavorful. So right now, guys, we are heading back to the ship, and I really like this Savona because the port is very near. We're not really in a hurry. Like the port is just there, like maybe like a 5 to 6 minutes walk, right? So right now I am planning to buy one ref magnet souvenir, like a Savona souvenir. So after that we will go back to the ship. Guys, so we are now going back. This day has been very incredible. Okay, this is one of the memorable port that we have been. I think so, yes.
For sure.
So yes, back to reality again. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this is again Bruno, one of my greatest friends from Brazil. Don't cry right now.
Thank you.
So yes, we are going back now. Hello again, Costa Pasinosa. So I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Bye.